Hello friends, welcome to Easy Science Club. Today topic is
Transduction. What is transduction? Transduction is nothing but bacterial DNA is transferred to the one bacteria to another bacteria. It is called transduction. Come to explanation of simple explanation. It is a page vector or page. This is a page DNA. It is a bacterial host cell. Okay. This is a bacterial host cell DNA or chromosome. This page is affecting the host cell to injecting of page DNA. This page DNA having page enzyme. This page enzyme is cutting the chromosome of bacteria in several pieces, and this page DNA is replicating many times, and this page DNA codes is producing for page protein. This page protein containing this page protein. Okay. Come to the bacterial interior work of zooming. This time is this page is duplicating to interior host cell bacteria, and see this particular place. This page having page DNA, but this page having bacterial DNA. How this is possible? This is a transduction process. Mean this protein page is duplicating time page DNA conducting place will replace to the bacterial DNA. So this bacterial DNA affecting the DNA other bacterial host cell to injecting the bacterial DNA that host cell. So the bacterial zooming time, this is a host, that bacterial host cell DNA. It is this bacterial DNA. This bacterial DNA, that particular bacterial DNA is transferred to this bacteria to this bacteria. It is this bacterial transduction process. Using the bacterial transduction process, and this bacteria is new type of chromosome having bacteria. This bacteria is replicating and new generation formation. Okay. Okay, friends. This is here main time. I will explain another more. Mean bacterial DNA is inserting, and this bacterial DNA is replicating and producing many pages. But this is a page DNA having page, but it is a bacterial DNA having page. So this type to transfer the bacterial DNA to another bacterial cell. This bacterial cell is inside the host cell. Okay. This bacteria is added to that host cell bacteria. This is a new type of chromosome formation.
okay friends. You like the video? Please put the one like button. You need more video? Please subscribe it. Thank you friends. Bye.